Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start immediately. Cleanse your face thoroughly and pat dry so the cream sits on skin, not on oil. Once done, perform a 24-hour patch test on your inner forearm to check sensitivity. This prevents surprises. Make sure to dispense a pea-sized dot of dot and key spotlight cream and place it directly on the target area. Use your ring finger to gently tap and blend the edges. Don't rub hard. This locks active ingredients where they're needed while minimizing spread to surrounding skin. Once the cream is placed, gently tap until it visibly absorbs. This usually takes about 30 to 45 seconds. Then wait 3 to 5 minutes before applying serums, moisturizers, or treatment oils. This delay prevents dilution and preserves potency. Make sure to avoid the eye area and mucous membranes because the formulation targets pigment and can sting delicate skin. If you use retinoids, alternate nights. Otherwise, use spotlight cream into your evening routine for best results and to reduce daytime photosensitivity. Finish by sealing the treated areas with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to lock in the active ingredients and reduce dryness. Then make sure to apply SPF 30+ every morning. Sun protection prevents rebound pigmentation and supports results. Use the cream at most once daily initially, increasing frequency only if tolerated. If you encounter redness, burning, or persistent irritation, stop immediately. Wash the area. Perform another patch test after recovery, and if symptoms
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.